Martinez here from IT Pros Management Group. Welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness Month educational series. And today we're kicking off a journey to help make sure your business or nonprofit organizations are secure in today's ever-changing security and threat landscape. Did you know that in 2025, cybercrime is expected to cost the world $10.5 trillion annually? That makes cybercrime the third largest GDP on the planet, only after the United States and China's GDP. And here's another shocking stat. 43% of cyber attacks target small businesses, and 60% of small businesses that experience a cyber attack go out of business within 6 months. Scary, right? But it doesn't have to be that way. We're here to help you stay ahead of the game. As a U.S. Army veteran, I know a thing or two about security. In the military, we use force protection to safeguard our troops and installations. It's all about layers of security, and the same principle applies to cybersecurity. Just like in the military, your business needs a layered approach to cybersecurity. Firewall, endpoint protection, employee training, every layer counts. No matter the size of your industry or your business, implementing a robust security program is crucial. And guess what? We're offering a complimentary cybersecurity strategy session to help you get started. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link below to schedule a session with me. Let's make your business cyber secure. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks throughout Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Together, we can build a safer digital world. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax. IT is covered.